Hello, patrons. The big question is, why do we clutter check? What exactly are we clutter checking for? Where do we clutter check? I've discovered through my mentees that some people have the misconception that clutter check means you're checking every single part of the house for clutter when you haven't even decluttered some of the house, and it's very confusing. So here's what you're clutter checking and why you're clutter checking. You are clutter checking the areas that you have decluttered. So let's take, for example, the counter in the kitchen. If that's an area that you always have clutter, you finally got it clutter free, now you're going to clutter check it 3 times a day because, here's the why, you have the habit of laying things on that countertop. Not only you, but your family members have the habit of laying things on the countertop. It's a habit that you're not aware of. It makes you aware when you have a nice flat surface, which is a magnet for things, and you see, if you look 3 times a day, oh my gosh, I left the dog's leash there. Oh my goodness, who put this box of Legos up here? Whatever, keys. So by checking 3 times a day, you're never going to have a big mess to clean up, number one. And number two, no one is in trouble. We're just becoming aware of the fact that, oh my goodness, look what we did. Look what we did. So let's all clean it up. All right. So another example would be, let's say that you've totally decluttered the living room now. You've got a living room table that you like to have nothing on, but maybe a magazine and a flower decoration, a flower arrangement, maybe not, but let's just say that, and or a candle or whatever, and you look in there and there's junk all over the table. Maybe you've left a balled up Kleenex on there, and maybe the kids have put some Legos up there. So 3 times a day you're going to say, oh no, we've messed the table up. Now, there's nothing wrong with using the table, letting the children play with Legos on the table, but if they've abandoned them there, you've abandoned your Kleenex there, you've abandoned your book there, that's when it's clutter. It's the beginning of clutter. When you unknowingly have left things laying there, or on the floor, or on the couch, and there's no one to be seen, there's no one messing with these things or using these things, that's when it's clutter check time to clear it away. So I hope that this helped you understand how to clutter check, why we clutter check, and what we're clutter checking for, and where we're clutter checking. Boy, there's a lot. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.